Holy crap, this is a big girl. Look at that. This is a good height. I like this. I don't like the foot pegs, but I like everything else. Probably make something to lower the foot pegs or buy those drop foot pegs. Oh, and I made 2 of these? Oh, I need one for myself. Damn, it's a big girl. Isn't she a big girl? I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Oh, I don't have to do that on a razor. There's only me, so I'm gonna have to like place it there and then take a step back. Damn, that's a big bike. That looks really good. I wonder if I have any body parts. There's the bodies here.
Please, with less water.
Well, either way, she looks fantastic. I love it. That's a 14-inch wheel. That's a 17, which is older than most of you viewers. Wow. I'm really tired. I would put the second one together, but I mean, I'm really tired. Eric, what do you think, brother? You get 2 of these, and instead of this, I'm going to give you black sets so we can make it look nicer. Because you said you like black, so we're going to do black on black on black on black on black on black. And then I got to put the logos on it, package them up, get your payment, ship it out. It's going to be awesome. Great job. Thank you for making me a part of this.